Welcome to new video. Rohit Gaikwad once again. If you are looking for real estate investors, then this is the best platform. You can check the spelling on the dashboard. It's smergers.com. So you can generate real estate investor leads using the same tool. Initially, you will get one credit for a free account, and you can buy premium one if you wanted to generate more leads. So let's dive in. I'll do one thing. I'll minimize the screen and come to the dashboard. Here smergers.com. You need to register with Facebook, Google or email ID. Just confirm your account and you will reach here only. So once you reach on the dashboard, you need to click on investors and buyers. Okay, then you can simply filter it using the individuals, companies, lenders or financial advisors. So it might differ according to the transaction type. So let's click on individual and it will filter. So interested in, let's say, buying a asset, all transaction, let it be. Then we'll keep it locations Pune or Mumbai. Say India, Maharashtra, Pune. It's already filtered. Okay, let me go with the proposals now. So he is the managing director, water, looking for water. Let me search with the property investment. Property, let it be property commercial. See, investors in buyer, lenders and advisors. Here we'll check the different types of categories, investor categories. We can say commercial property investors. So you can now change the location, Pune. Just do a search, whatever. Okay, now it's show. It will show the filter result. So they are looking to invest 40 lakhs to 2 CR investment. Here you can check up to 70 crores investor, individual buyer in Pune, not looking for any startups, looking for real estate, building construction. See what they are looking for, building construction, etc. So you can send direct proposal, send proposal. Let me continue with this example. So this member is on a premium plan. Okay, looking budget investment size is up to 70 crores. Okay, so you need to send a proposal by verifying your number. So just go through this area, your name, mobile number, business name, interested, describe your proposal and accept and continue. You will get only one lead for a free account. So make sure you will choose a relevant proposal. Let's close it first and then only go for the multiple accounts. You can create multiple accounts using the different email IDs and send multiple projects, but you must handle all the accounts carefully. Do not spam, do not make false commitment, or do not send false information to attract the investor. Just send them valid or verified proposals only and get the investor leads. After sending this proposal, you will get that person's name, phone, email, and company, and other like the payment schedule and all. You will get immediately within 3 to 4 days. So hope it will help you to generate investor leads. You can simply register with a different email id. You can create a 10, 20, 50 email IDs and registered as a new user and send a different proposal to different investor. Just you need to search the property type, commercial or residential. Let's say property, or I'll try with the new example, warehouse. Many people have looking for, see, warehouse property investor. Here if I put industrial, they'll show us industrial proposals only. So warehouse property investors we have clicked, and we need to filter our location. Must filter the search with the location, otherwise you will get irrelevant proposals. So you can check the ticket size. See here, uh, the promoter, okay, corporate company or corporate group looking for diversification and entering into a warehousing. So they have budget up to 200 crores. So you will get high ticket size investors and property buyers. Even though it's not looking only applicable for investors, you will get property buyers. Let me show property buyers. See, commercial property buyers, warehouse property buyers, rented commercial property buyers. In this way you can generate property buyers and real estate investor leads for a smaller and high ticket size using the free tools SMERGERS.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's move ahead to the next one. Thank you.